Ever wondered how to actually make money online without buying another viral course, showing your face, spending money on ads, or dealing with a time-consuming and complicated process? Today, I'll reveal the top 3 laziest ways to earn income online right now, leveraging free or affordable resources and AI. But let me be clear, no method of making money is completely hands-off. Each requires some level of time and initial effort upfront. For a method to qualify as lazy, it must meet the following criteria. It does not require you to create a product. It does not require you to get on camera and show your face. It does not require heavy advertising spending. It does not require significant startup capital. And lastly, it must be low maintenance and sustainable, meaning you do the initial work once and it has the potential to generate you income years into the future without heavy oversight or time invested. You don't want to miss these strategies because we're diving into the top 3 lazy methods, including a fresh, under-the-radar opportunity that's still in its early phases as of July 2024. This is your golden chance to get in early and capitalize on it before everyone else catches on. Stick around until the very end to uncover each lazy method, plus a bonus strategy you definitely don't want to miss. Now, let's dive right in. Lazy method number 3. We're starting off our top 3 lazy methods with niche websites. Building a niche website is a fantastic way to generate substantial income online, especially for those who enjoy writing. Even if you don't enjoy writing or want to keep this method as lazy as possible, you can outsource the work to skilled ghostwriters. Niche websites focus on specific topics, providing valuable content to a targeted audience. Here's how you can get started and succeed with this method. First, pick a niche you're passionate about and that has a steady stream of search traffic. Use a keyword research tool like Ahrefs to identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords. This will help you find a niche that's both interesting to you and profitable. Next, use tools like the Hostinger AI Website Builder to create a fully functional, blog-ready website with minimal input and within minutes. This tool handles the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on creating and publishing engaging content and optimizing your website for SEO. Once your site is set up, start producing high-quality content that provides real value to your audience. Use ChatGPT to help you outline each content piece, and websites like Surfer SEO or SEO.ai to optimize your articles for search ranking on Google. As your site gains traffic, you can monetize it in several ways, including ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Strategically place affiliate links in your content to maximize conversions. If you don't have time to write the content yourself, as mentioned, you can hire skilled ghostwriters to create it for you. You just need to insert your affiliate links and publish the content on your site. Even that part can be outsourced. The golden key with niche websites is to focus on promoting products that offer recurring commissions, such as subscription-based services. This allows you to earn passive income from a single referral. Over time, as your website grows in authority and traffic, you can even sell it for a profit. This approach is perfect for building a sustainable online business with long-term growth potential. Here's a step-by-step monetization strategy. Step 1. Identify products with recurring commissions, such as subscription-based services like web hosting, software, or membership sites. Use affiliate marketplaces like impact.com and partnerstack.com to find these products. Step 2, develop blog posts, video content with reviews, or tutorial guides that target people searching for these services. Step 3, use SEO strategies to rank high in search results, driving more traffic to your site. Tools like Surfer SEO and SEO.ai can assist in writing SEO-optimized content. And step 4 is to ensure your affiliate links are placed where they can generate the most conversions. By following this method, you can build a reliable, passive income stream with minimal, ongoing effort. This is an excellent way for anyone to create a sustainable online income and achieve long-term financial success. Lazy method number 2. Coming in at the number 2 spot on our list of lazy methods is faceless digital marketing with short-form content on Instagram or TikTok. This strategy has been buzzing across social media and trending on Google, showing relatively consistent interest since January 2024. But what exactly is faceless digital marketing, and why should you consider it for making money online? Simply put, faceless digital marketing is a powerful strategy where marketers and creators promote products or services in total anonymity without showing their face. Instead, they use text, graphics, animations, voiceovers, and videos to engage their audience. It's about leveraging content that doesn't depend on a personal presence to connect with potential customers. Before we dive into how creators are getting paid leveraging faceless digital marketing, and how you can too, let's briefly discuss its origins and recent surge in popularity. The term faceless digital marketing has gained traction due to the rise of viral digital marketing courses flooding the market, such as the Ultimate Branding Course, Roadmap, and Digital Wealth Academy. These courses teach digital marketing strategies and often come with master resale rights, MRR, a license that allows buyers to resell the course and keep 100% of the profits. Within a few of these courses, faceless digital marketing is taught as a strategy to promote and resell the course, or otherwise, promote and sell your own products or services. An important note is, it's never required to resell the courses. Many people purchase, learn the knowledge, then create their own product and leverage the marketing strategies to help them generate traffic and sales. While there's controversy online about whether these courses are legit or scams, or if it's ethical to adopt a business model where you simply resell a course you did not create yourself for 100% profit, I can confirm that master resale rights products are legal and they are not MLMs or a pyramid scheme. In fact, master resale right and private label rights products have been around since nearly the start of the internet. And while I can't speak for every MRR course on the market, I've personally found immense value in a couple of these courses for developing my brand, Digital Hippie. But don't worry, I'm not here to sell you on any MRR courses so you can keep watching with ease. Instead, I just want to educate you on the origins of the term faceless digital marketing and how you can effectively use this powerful marketing strategy to promote your products or services and make money online without showing your face. So let's dive further into the deets. While faceless digital marketing may be a new term, similar concepts have existed under different names, such as faceless content marketing, Instagram theme pages, or faceless Instagram accounts, to name a few. Many major corporations employ this strategy to promote their brand and products without explicitly using the term faceless digital marketing. For example, McDonald's uses the tagline, "I'm lovin' it," with a strong emphasis on red and yellow branding colors. Their Instagram aligns with their branding but does not rely on a singular person or the CEO to promote the brand and products. This is faceless digital marketing. Nike, another major corporation, has the tagline, "Just do it," and is renowned for its innovation in athletic wear, endorsements, and partnerships with athletes worldwide. Their Instagram does not rely on the founder or CEO's face, but rather a collection of imagery related to their niche and tagline. This approach isn't limited to big brands. Creators of all sizes are thriving in various niches using faceless digital marketing. For example, That Girl Income in the Instagram growth and social media monetization niche features It Girl aesthetic graphics, videos, and quotes with a dark vibe for branding. With over 26,000 followers, they monetize through a suite of digital products, some they didn't create themselves, with an average price point of $250. Assuming a 2% conversion rate, which according to this quick Google search is the average conversion rate, this creator is potentially earning $131,000 if just 2% of their followers purchase products priced around $250. Another example is Hustlers in the Hood in the motivation niche. They curate and repost content from artists and entrepreneurs, utilizing videos, graphics, and text in a distinct black, white, and red branding theme. Their monetization strategy involves driving Instagram traffic to an email opt-in landing page where they offer a discount to their paid product, a $49 ebook. With a conservative 0.5% conversion rate from their 2.3 million followers, they could be making at least $563,000 from their digital product. Plus, they effectively build an email list, ensuring they can promote their affiliate links, products, or services on the back end using email marketing. In the wealth niche, My Wealth Diary creates content on Instagram using graphics, text, and videos related to building financial wealth, investing, and early retirement. They have a clear branding theme of white, gray, and blue on their page. By monetizing their faceless account through digital products on Etsy, they've made at least $244,000 if we multiply their total sales over 9,000 units by their average price point of $25. Faceless digital marketing is simply a strategy to promote your affiliate links, products, or services. It's great if you don't want to be on camera or don't have time to record videos. So how do you get started and actually make money with this lazy method? Here's a 6-step formula to start faceless digital marketing with short-form content. First, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential for growth. Tools like Ahrefs, Answer the Public, and Google Trends can help you identify trending topics for your niche and audience. If you need help identifying your niche, check out our free resource, the Sweet Niche Formula Guide and Workbook, linked below in the description. Next is to select a platform. That can be Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts. I recommend choosing one platform in the beginning, then expanding on other platforms when you begin to grow. Choose that platform that best aligns with you and your audience. You want to go wherever your audience spends most of their time. Step 3 is to create a consistent aesthetic for your brand, which will be reflected on your feed. Use AI tools like Luca for developing your brand vibe and Canva for graphics. Focus on colors, fonts, and visuals that reflect your brand's personality and appeal to your target audience. This doesn't have to be perfect or finalized when you are starting out, so don't spend too much time or overthink this step. Your goal is to start posting on your chosen short-form platform to begin generating traffic to your links and earning income. The next step is to plan out your posts to maintain consistency and engage your audience effectively. Decide how often you'll post and the types of posts, such as text, graphics, animations, voiceovers, videos, or a combination, and use tools like InVideo AI for videos or Canva for text-based posts. For done-for-you aesthetic videos, explore free content banks like Pexels and Pixabay, or consider paid options like The Content Cove, Paxia, or Lux Stocks for more specific content needs. Step 5 is to decide how you'll monetize your page through methods like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or sponsored posts. To keep this method in our lazy criteria, focus on promoting a done-for-you product with resale rights or affiliate products. Be sure to offer a valuable freebie or low-ticket product related to your paid product to help build an email list of engaged followers. Check out the Digital Hippie store linked in our description for done-for-you digital products ready for your use for either your paid products or freebies. Finally, step 6. Stay engaged with your audience, track your performance with Instagram or TikTok analytics tools, and adjust your strategy based on feedback. Consistently providing quality content will help you grow your presence and increase your income potential over time. By following this 6-step formula, you'll be well on your way to leveraging faceless digital marketing to build a successful faceless presence and consistent lazy-approved income. Lazy method number 1. The final lazy method we'll discuss today is faceless YouTube with long-form content. Many people hesitate to create a YouTube channel because they don't want to be on camera or use their voice. That's completely understandable. But did you know you can create a successful YouTube channel without showing your face or speaking a word? Here are 4 steps to get started with long-form, faceless YouTube. First, identify a niche. Find a niche or topic with high demand but relatively low competition. Use AI keyword research tools like VidiQ or TubeMagic to discover these niches. The best and most profitable niches are in health, wealth, finance, and technology. Second, generate content topics. You want your topics to answer and address pain points that your target audience is facing, or topics your audience would otherwise be entertained from based on their interest. Develop your first 10 niche-based topics using VidiQ and TubeMagic to help with this research. These tools are essential for generating relevant content ideas. I'll leave a link to both tools in the description. Third, create your content. Use InVideo AI to create your videos. This platform allows you to input text prompts, which it then turns into videos with AI-generated voiceovers and visuals. Customize these videos to match your brand and style. And finally, the 4th step is to upload and optimize. Consistently upload your content and optimize your videos for SEO. This will help grow your channel and enable you to start earning from affiliate marketing, digital products, AdSense, or other monetizable streams. Even if you don't want to be on camera or use your voice, tools like InVideo AI make creating fully edited videos from simple prompts easier than ever. These tools handle everything from voiceovers to visuals, allowing you to produce high-quality content with minimal effort. You can earn money from these videos through YouTube AdSense once you meet the eligibility requirements, which currently are 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But guess what? You don't have to wait to reach these milestones to start making money on YouTube. Other ways to monetize your channel include affiliate marketing by reviewing products and placing affiliate links in your video descriptions. Building an email list by offering freebies is also invaluable. This strategy facilitates selling your digital products, offers, and merchandise, opens doors to sponsorships, and increases your potential for affiliate earnings by driving substantial traffic to your channel. Another great thing about YouTube is that you create content once, and that single piece can continue to attract views, drive traffic, and generate potential sales for months or even years. While platforms like Instagram and TikTok are fantastic for short-form content and building quick, engaging connections with your audience, YouTube excels in providing long-form content that offers depth and sustains long-term engagement. Plus, video content consumption is steadily increasing, making up 82% of all internet traffic, with YouTube boasting over 2.6 billion users worldwide consuming video content monthly. This means more people are watching videos now than ever before. So, there's no better time than now to start building your branded content library on YouTube. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for riding along and also provide my bonus strategy, as promised. The bonus strategy is to combine all three of these strategies for the ultimate lazy-approved method to make money online. Here's what I mean. If you start a YouTube channel focused on long-form content, you can repurpose all of your YouTube content into short-form content for Instagram or TikTok. Additionally, you can use that same YouTube content to publish SEO-optimized blog posts on your niche website. Not to mention, your YouTube content can be repurposed on platforms we didn't discuss today, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram Threads, but are excellent options to generate traffic and sales. The beauty of combining all three lazy methods we discussed today, niche websites, faceless digital marketing with short-form content, and faceless YouTube with long-form content, is that your content lives on the YouTube platform indefinitely. This means your YouTube library can act as a blueprint to fuel your other streams of lazy income with faceless digital marketing on Instagram or TikTok and on your niche-focused website. Having YouTube at the top of your content strategy ensures maximum output for minimal work. And that's the entire goal of lazy money-making strategies. The key is leveraging AI and automation tools to significantly reduce the amount of manual work required, opting for recurring affiliate products if you are using affiliate marketing as a monetization strategy, and using done-for-you resale rights products to sell items you don't have to create, especially if you are new to making money online or want to keep the method as lazy as possible. Outsource where possible and necessary, and stay consistent with your strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively build a sustainable online income with minimal ongoing effort. Now, let's get started and make the most of these lazy methods. If you enjoyed these strategies, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're dedicated to helping you find the best ways to earn income online and achieve financial liberation. This is Digital Hippie, always encouraging you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. Thanks for watching.